Hey, are you gonna escape the cold winter weather and take a little snowbird vacation? Today, I got tips for you about how to use your mask when snorkeling on that snowbird vacation. Tip number one, I'm going to say actually doesn't have to do with the mask, but it has to do with your head. It's okay to wear a swim cap when you are snorkeling. Now, why am I telling you this? If you're like me and you've got a little bit of hair, the mask oftentimes gets caught on your hair. And I know not everybody's wearing a swim cap, and I used to go without wearing a swim cap, but it was a disaster. Just all that hair getting caught in my mask and the snorkel. It's okay. If you're used to wearing a swim cap, wear the swim cap. It's fine. Okay, tip number two is we want this whole flange here to be secure on your face. So I got this swim cap on now. It's not flat on my face. I do need to pull my cap back a bit. So when I put this mask on, I need this whole flange part flat against my face. I don't want some of it bent up. That happens sometimes if you carry it in a suitcase. It gets bent up. You don't want it bent over. We want it nice and flat on your whole face. It's about the suction of the mask. It's not about the strap. So I want to be able to get this mask on, press it on there, and have it stay on my face. That way I know I'm getting the suction to my face. It's having a proper seal to my face. That's what keeps the water from leaking in. Tip number three, baby shampoo. Because your nose and your eyes are in the same space, it will get foggy in there and suddenly you can't see all those fish very well. So we want to put just a little drop of baby shampoo in, give it a smear around and a little bit of a rinse. You're not washing it, you're not cleaning it, you're putting a film of the soap over the lens, and that's gonna keep the fog out. And then lastly, when we put this mask on, we don't wanna over pull the straps. People do that because they're concerned with getting water in there. If we over pull those straps, you can actually stretch it out to a different shape on your face and it will be more leaky. We want the leakage seal to be from this being flat around your face. Snorkel, this is one of your advanced skills on the roadmap to learning to swim. If you haven't gotten your roadmap, pop down the show notes, grab your roadmap, and find out what comes first, what comes second, what is essential to learning to swim with confidence. Aloha!